Hey, welcome to Savor an Instant. I'm Jimmy. Welcome to 2022. Since it's a new year, we all have our resolutions, and one of the most common resolutions is to eat healthier. So today we are making a slow-cooked keto creamy Tuscan chicken. By the way, not only is it healthy and delicious, but it is one of over 1,500 recipes you can access on our Instant Brands Connect app. So I've already got the Instant Pot hot. It's on the saute function. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil, and we're gonna saute our chicken and brown it. Now, you gotta make sure that when you're sauteing or browning meat, that the meat is dry. So we're gonna dab off any excess moisture with a paper towel, and then we're going to add it to our pot to brown for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending. Let's add some salt and pepper while it's in there. Chicken is now browned, so we are going to remove it to a dish or a bowl. In this case, a bowl, as you can see. The next step is we want to get our onions in there and cook them until they are translucent, maybe a little bit brown. So I'm gonna add the onions. Now that our onions have a little bit of color, we're gonna add our garlic. And you want to just let the garlic get a little aromatic. So once it's in there, stir it around, let it cook for, 30 seconds, maybe a minute. The next step we're gonna do is we are going to add some chicken stock so that we can deglaze the fond off of the bottom. Stir around, scrape with your spatula or your tongs, making sure you're getting all of the delicious brown bits off of the bottom of the pan. Now that we have deglazed our pan, we're gonna add our chicken back in, and we've got our artichoke hearts, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red pepper and thyme. Kind of give those a little bit of a grind in our hands before we throw them in. Mix everything together. So I am going to throw on the lid, cancel the saute function. We're gonna put this on slow cook for 4 hours. And I am gonna go get started on my New Year's resolutions.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll tuck a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Yes. Ooh, finally a resolution I'm happy to keep. Oh, that smells so good. All right, we're gonna finish up this recipe real quick. We're gonna add our cream cheese in and our Parmesan cheese. Stir that in so that it gets nice and incorporated. And while the cream cheese is kind of doing its thing, you wanna just kind of stir it so that it melts evenly and doesn't get chunky in there. All right, and once all that's incorporated, we're gonna add our final ingredient, which is this spinach. We're just gonna add this spinach in whole because it's going to wilt. Combine it with the other ingredients. Once the spinach is stirred in, we can put our lid on, let it sit for about 5 minutes so that the spinach gets incorporated and wilted, and then we're ready to eat. There's something so satisfying about cooking something that's both delicious and healthy for yourself. Ooh. This is Savor an Instant. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this with your friends. And also, have a happy, healthy, and tasty 2022. Cheers.